Number one, trending topic. Attention to detail, everything microscopic. New post truck, man a pushing at the traffic. So when I do a video, I'm telling about Spice album. I'm telling say Shaggy produced the album, and them have some big writers on it and some big name. Now people may have another clip I want for showing it, just a quick clip, cause that one are big people. So Spice, Shaggy, and Sean Paul have a tune. May I go say it again? Spice, Shaggy, and Sean Paul have a tune. You see me? So I'm going to make Sean Paul talk about it real quick, even though he must say him not for talk about it. But here what he must say. Hear this.
We can big up. I'm not supposed to talk about it a lot, but me and the three S's got a big tune. Shaggy, Sean, and Spice got a big tune coming out soon. I think it's about March. So yeah, look out for that one. That's
Is this going to be on the album?
That's on Spice's album.
Got you. And that's coming out in March, you said?
Yeah, March.
Yeah, people, so Shaggy and Sean Paul and Spice, you know, hear that? Spice and two of the biggest artists them out of Jamaica have a record together, and that's on our album, and it's coming in March. I'm excited for the album. You know, a lot of our fans them is, so no put in the comment section still, right? So I know where the Spice donate $1,000 towards Sister Charmaine funeral, and the people nearly crucify her. And Spice never said nothing, but now she finally talked about it. So here is the video. Here is Spice say.
But what really touched me was the fact that she was saying they had a GoFundMe for Sister Charmaine. And of course, I paid homage to them with my song already, Pan Captured Mixtape. Romantic mood. But anyway, the on stage led me to Lady on Instagram. So when we go up on our Instagram, our in our caption, it said first female. Me don't want to tell a lie now, because remember me tell you, them give me basket, Hey, them give me basket for carry water at night, Remember seaside my barn. So sometimes me talk, me have to stop and think. So if you don't see me stop and I look out of space and I'm mad, I think me have to think before me talk. But in her bio, it said, first female, is it first female artist or first female recording artist or first, something of the sort. So me shout out no messages, me never know say she the first female, artist. So it touched me now. But me really never know. So I sent her a DM and I said, Jano, Mama, I just watch you on stage and I'm really touched by the story. I just send my love and, big up and, in whatever way me can help. And she sent me the link to Sister Charmaine GoFundMe. Me now with myself, I said me help me put the link in my bio. And I said to people, say, this is Sister Charmaine. She has paved the way, done so much for dancehall. Do what you can do, and me do what me can do. Remember, me no God, I'm no Jesus. I remember me have my two pitney them and me one, so me do what me can do. I mean, I'm gonna act like me can do more than what me can do. Me have to do what I can do, so me do what me can do. The people them jump up. Why me make people say me do? Hey, I can't stand up before my... People them jump up and say, why me give and make people say me give. I want you to follow me and listen. The people them say, why me give and make people say me give. Me don't answer. Me don't answer.
So people know your Spice say on that situation there. In other life, she talked about a bunch of things. Mostly she was motivating the young people and tell them, say, go out there and get it, and they don't need no heap of money if you start a business. And I go show on that part there. But I have to deal with something first. I go do a little Beenie Man thing, and I go do a song. Then I go show on the rest of our Spice. So you stick around if you don't want to see. But let's talk about Beenie Man. So Beenie Man did an interview. Just in case you now wonder how much kids Beenie Man have, him say it in another interview. Yeah. So let me play the clip for you real quick. Here goes.
You have to know what's going on. You're the smallest one in the house. And then you have your big sister them and your big brother them, and your mother treat you better than them. Yes. Serious thing that is.
Yes. I understand.
You have to look out for Pumpkin Island and everything there. You have to know where. Yeah, because it's not 6 away now, 5 away. 12 away mother.
Wow.
Yeah. And me come get 12 kids at the same time, boy, I'm going to tell you.
Yes, so now hear what the doctor say, I'm the father of many. And when I musical son named Glamaton, have a song where I big up every artist, but he must show special respect to Beenie. So take a listen to this.
What am I trying to do? Mash down the music. Music are alive. And we not lose it. Love it. Anyway, the bag of bad mind thing with them dip on. Why them can't live loving, man? Why them a war and want bring in gun? Let me tell you something. Me know inna this business too bad mind nor envy nobody. Me wait bounty kill am over the one a D. But the world know Beenie and me daddy. A reggae music man a study. Me know inna this business too bad mind nor envy nobody. Me wait bounty kill am over the one a D. But the world know Beenie and me daddy. A reggae music man a study. Big up Sizzla, the dan da dan. Big up Bujo, Teflon me brother. Big up E, where you don't know the thing go. Big up Popcorn, Alkaline, Calado. Big up the female, them way I treat too. Big up in this jacket, them in the street too. Make we put the bad mind under we feet now. Cause you know see how reggae music sweet. Me know in this business too bad mind nor envy nobody. Me wait bounty kill am over the one a D. But the world know Beenie and me daddy. A reggae music man a study. Me know in this business too bad mind nor envy nobody. Me wait bounty kill am over the one a D. But the world know Beenie and me daddy. A reggae music man a study. Well, reggae music say fi fun, it never say fi gun. So why some youth a try fi put it under the ground? Dance also with fi par, it never say fi war. So why some of the youth them a take it too far? As the youth them have a clash, them no take it lyrically. You know see the youth them a take it physically. All I tell them one another bad things about them mommy, but bad mind thing them fi stop it. Me know inna this business too bad mind nor envy nobody. Me wait bounty kill am over the one a D. But the world know Beenie and me daddy. A reggae music man a study. Me know inna this business too bad mind nor envy nobody. Me wait bounty kill am over the one a D. But the world know Beenie and me daddy. A reggae music man a well, reggae music and me life. Me love it like my wife. Me love it more than chicken, the peas with the rice. Some family and friends try to give me a fight. Some a tell me say stop, me say who you a chat. I couldn't win me career and reach to the top. I eat up with food in the future, in the past. So tell them go and talk and tell them go and chat. Cause reggae music cannot stop. Me know in this business so bad mind nor envy nobody. Me wait bounty kill am over the one a D. But the world know Beenie and me daddy. A reggae music man a study. Me know in this business so bad mind nor envy nobody. Me wait bounty kill am over the one a D. But the world know Beenie and me daddy. A reggae music man a
Yeah, so big up the artist Glamaton, but let's get back to the Spice story. So people, Spice have a lot of going for her. Her album a come to the she release a brand new product, the Blue Box, and me I go do a video on that. Probably, hopefully me get to do a video on that. But if not, it's on her page right now and you can check it out. You see me? But people like me are telling you, Spice are trying to motivate the young people. I'm gonna tell them say go out there and get it. And she are tell them say, yo, you don't need no bag of money to start a business. And she gets specific. She says she there look for a painter for paint her house, and like she said, no painter no there around her way at Jamaica. And really, it don't take no heap of money if you start out as a painter. So I'm going to play the video for you so you can hear what Spicer say. Here goes.
Celebrity or somebody and them say, I chew them have money. But y'all need to realize that we are humans and we never born with the money. We started from somewhere. I think most of you already know my history and where I started from. So even though you may not be a celebrity or a singer, you also can start from somewhere. You can do something too. There's so many different ways out there where you can make money. And I don't think a lot of us know. I'm going to my thinking back now. People, you can use your own talent and start. Maybe you can do ear. You don't need money to do ear. Call up somebody and you do a ear. If the ear bad, you know what will happen? Somebody go see that person and say, who do your ear? And I say your clientele I go bill. Start from somewhere. Come on now. Hear me, come on now, like me a preacher. What if I say, come on now? But we go down in it. Yeah. You don't need money if you realize that you can do ear, or you can cane, or you can do something, or you can put on lace or whatever. Put on a lace for somebody, or call somebody, even if it's free, because you can start a free client, you know, as long as you're talented, you know, say your body, you know. Because somebody will see it and say, Bomba, who do that? And your little clientele I go build, so you start from somewhere. Come on now. I'm trained. What do you mean there Jamaica, the man fuck up my house, I want somebody to paint out the couple little wall them, and I couldn't find one painter. You don't need no money to be a painter. Get a youth, you don't need no money to be a painter. Look how much house they in this world. You don't have to think and become wise.
We got that one in my AP. That's LIG. Atina. Excuse me. That's LIG. Rich. Punk. Should know. Tento Blacks. Yeah, they.